In traditional mobile development, you build interfaces using a complex tree of heavy, mutable platform views. iOS has UI views, Android has views, and keeping them in sync with your application state is a notorious source of bugs. But Flutter does something radical. It throws all of that away for a single unified concept, the widget. In Flutter, a widget is not an active screen element. It is a lightweight, immutable blueprint. When you nest a padding widget inside a container, which sits inside a center widget, you aren't drawing pixels. You are building an immutable configuration tree. This tree is incredibly cheap to create, destroy, and rebuild hundreds of times per second. To make this incredibly fast, Flutter manages 3 parallel trees. First, your declarative widget tree. Second, the element tree, which acts as the stable orchestrator lifecycle. And third, the render object tree, which actually computes layout and paints pixels. When a widget changes, the element tree performs a highly optimized diffing algorithm to update only the modified nodes of the expensive render tree. This structural division gives us 2 primary types of widgets: stateless widget and stateful widget. A stateless widget never changes on its own once drawn. A stateful widget, however, pairs with a state object. When you call setState, Flutter marks that specific element as dirty, schedule a rebuild, and seamlessly repaints the exact UI subset that changed at a buttery smooth 60 frames per second.